This is the ARTOFUL chair mat for hardwood floors. Let's take it out of the box. Normally I would take this out of the box, but I've already done so, and that's because it's rolled up in this long box as you see. Here's the chair mat on the floor. It's non-slip on the floor, so it'll stay in place, and then your chair can go on top of it. The chair mat is 47 by 35, and it's made of PVC material, which is BPA-free. Here it is here. So you can see the thickness is maybe getting close to 1/8 of an inch or so. It is flexible as such. It will take a few days for it to really flatten out, but for now it'll be good enough to test it. So now let me get the chair on here. There we are. Very good. That's going to do just fine to protect the floor. The chair can roll around on that. So if you have any little crumbs or bits of sand, anything like that, that would normally gouge into your wood floor, this will now protect it. It's comfortable and easy to roll around on, so I can go anywhere I need right on this mat, and it'll protect the floor. So once again, this was the ARTOFUL chair mat for hardwood floors. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.